Okay, good morning everyone. Dan Natkin, Vice President of Hardwood and Laminate for Mannington, and we are here giving you a surprise booth tour before Surfaces opens up for the day. So you're going to be able to see the products nice and up and close before we get slammed. This has been an amazing Surfaces for us. The dealer traffic has been great, the mood has been great, and the products have been extremely well received. So I'm going to start you off with hardwood and restoration, and then we're going to transition over to our new, stunning new Adura Apex line, and then end with our amazing Revive collection and resilient sheet. So let's start in hardwood. So in hardwood this year, it's all about shape. Whether it's shape in width, it's shape in length, it's shape in different shapes, and you're gonna see some amazing new products. The first one is one that we're making in our High Point, North Carolina facility, and it capitalizes on that long, wide trend in hardwood that's so popular right now. It's part of a new collection that we're gonna build on over time. Think of it almost like the restoration collection did for us in laminate. This is called the Latitude collection. One of the first patterns in Latitude is called Foundry Hickory. Foundry Hickory is a subtly wire brushed hickory that's 7 2/3 inches wide and 7.5 feet long. Not only do the plank lengths go up to 7.5 feet, you're going to have a lot of long planks in every carton. About 80% of every carton is going to have long length planks. So we put this subtle wire brush on, and then we actually build up a triple level of stain. 3 layers of stain go up to give you really rich, deep visuals. Foundry is available in 4 colors, and they're more traditional hickory colors, warm, rich, that really showcase and highlight the features of the product, of the species, I'm sorry. The other thing with this product, not only is it the length and width aspect, it features our new scratch resist ultra matte finish. This finish is about half the gloss of our existing scratch resist finishes, and it gives you almost like a very natural look and feel to the wood. So now we're going to circle around to the other side and show you Tribeca Oak. Tribeca Oak is also part of the Latitude collection, also 7 2/3 inches wide, lengths up to 7.5 feet long. A little bit of a different take versus the hickory I just showed you. This one we kept light and bright and natural, really let the character of the white oak come through. It's really designed around those metro areas. Think of a loft type of environment, and that's really what these 3 colors were designed around. Our Dealer's Choice nominee for the year is here on the floor, and the reception's been amazing to this product. We believe that the trend is going to come back narrow again. The trend has been going wider and longer and wider and longer, and there tends to be a rebound effect back to older visuals. But we've taken that narrow plank and we've given it a completely new and contemporary take. Carriage Oak comes in 3 colors. It's a 3-inch wide plank that's offered in varying lengths up to 45 inches long. Now what we've done with this product is we've lightly wire brushed it and then built up 3 layers of stain to give it almost like a worn paint sort of look. But one of the really cool things about this new product is not only are we offering it in a plank, we're offering it in a herringbone as well. The herringbone is a 3-inch by 22.5 inch herringbone and features the same 3 great colors. The cool thing about these 3 colors are they can be actually intermixed. And when you look at our room scene for Carriage Oak, you'll see that we're showing it not only as a floor, but as a wall as well, with all 3 colors together. Then finally, the third product I'm going to show you is our new Cider Mill collection. Cider Mill, again capitalizing on the shape trend in hardwood, is a random width, 3 1/4, 5, 6.5 inch oak and hickory. Now what we did with Cider Mill is bring in hand rub stains, hand applied distressing effects, and a very translucent stain to let the character of the product really shine through. This has been an absolute winner for us here at Surfaces this year. Now I'm going to move you over into our restoration collection. We have 3 new patterns in restoration this year. And the first one I'm going to show you is Hillside Hickory. Now that name may sound familiar to you. Hillside Hickory is one of our top 4 patterns in restoration already in some existing colors. The existing colors are very deep and rich and dark, but the color trend in both hardwood and laminate has been going lighter and more natural. So we wanted to take that same visual and give it a little bit of a twist. So everywhere that the current pattern was dark, it's now light. And you'll see we're offering the 2 new colors in Hillside Hickory, very light, bright colors. Perfect for the beach, but also perfect for that mountain retreat. It has the character of the hickory with a subtle hand scrape texture. I'd be remiss if I didn't mention at the same time that we were just awarded Kitchen and Bath's 30 Most Innovative Products with our new Spill Shield technology that we introduced last year. Spill Shield was an absolute game changer for the laminate product category. As a matter of fact, that's the only time you're going to hear me use that word, laminate. Because with that technology, we've taken all of the best attributes of laminate: scratch resistance, indentation resistance, wear and tear, easy installation, and now we've made the product virtually waterproof. So this has been a huge deal for us. You're going to see some consumer advertising around that, as well as trade advertising, because this is a pretty prestigious award. Think about it. The people that voted on this award had their choice of faucets or cabinets or countertops or anything that you can imagine going into a kitchen or bath, and they awarded this award to a floor. Now, our most stunning new floor for the year is a series that we're calling Palace Plank and Palace Chevron. Palace Plank and Palace Chevron are a little bit of a design twist. What we've done here is, again, playing off that shape trend in hardwood. We're giving you a plank look that has a coordinated, what's called mitered herringbone or chevron. So think about this for a second. If you want to do your foyer in a chevron for something very distinctive, or your home office, you could do that and still carry the same color throughout the rest of the home. Palace Plank and Palace Chevron are offered in 3 colors: tapestry that you see here on the panel and on the floor, stone for a nice light whitewashed European sawn oak visual, and then finally armor, which gives you a nice taupey gray that can go with almost any environment. So that's it for hardwood and laminate. Now I'm going to take you over to see Jimmy Tooley and our stunning new Apex line.
Good morning, everybody. Jimmy Tooley, Vice President for our residential resilient businesses, and I'm going to be taking you through ADURA Max APEX today. As you guys know, ADURA Max is one of the hottest products in one of the hottest categories. Our introduction this year is really going to take that category to the next level. So what I'm going to be showing you some really cool features here. We've got product that is long and wide, embossed and register, incredible detail here. Painted bevels, so 8x72. And even some multi-width products are going to come out this year. This is one of the comparisons we've put up. If you look here on the right, this is the #1 seller in ADURA Max. The ADURA Max ADURA Max Napa Tannin. This is that same product in comparison in ADURA Max Apex. And when you put these side by side, you can just see the pop that comes out. It's a fantastic visual, and we know this is going to be extremely successful. So now I'd like to take you through kind of the new products that we're going to have in this line. As we come down here, the first that we're going to have is our Aspen product. It's a beautiful 8x72-inch long plank with the emboss and register. It's a European white oak and really nice subtle colors. One of the cool things that we've been able to do in this product line that adds to the realism is these products are made on a continuous line and emboss and register. So you're going to see these individual elements in the planks move around in the plank. So it's going to give you a very wide array of visuals as you go through this that'll really add to the realism that goes into these products. The next product that we're going to be talking about is a fantastic new product. One of the most innovative visuals that we've come out with, spalted witch elm. I mean, this is really a statement product, and it has, again, the long and wide, so the 8x72-inch, and the spalting in here really brings a pop and style that you're not going to see anywhere else. This product comes with 5 new colors that you can see. That's a wider range of mostly light shades. As we turn around now, we're going to take a look at our first foray in the WPC category into a multi-width product. Hudson is a beautiful wire brushed white oak. It comes in 3 different widths, so it's a 4x48, a 6x48, and an 8x48 that comes in the same carton. And you can see that just that variation makes the product look so real. As you look on the floor, the painted bevel that's here really has a very distinct pop, and again, adds to the realism of this product. One of the prettiest products that we're going to put out this year. As we come around to the other side, We have another one of our multi-width offerings. This is Hilltop. Hilltop is really traditional look. It also has a painted bevel on it, but that painted bevel kind of more blends in. So it gives, again, a very realistic look to a rustic product. This comes in 4 colors as well. That really is a little bit more on the darker side of the offering. Next, we're going to come down to the last of our long and wide offering. The last of our long and wide offering, this is Napa. Napa, again, in both the color down here and the color at the top, have been our best sellers in ADURA Max, and we've really upgraded that visual as we come into it and added 2 new colors. This new barrel color is the feature color in this line, and again, this is going to be an absolute home run. You can see the incredible realism and detail that the design team has put into this product, and it really makes a huge statement. As we come around to the other side, the last of the ADURA Max Apex offering that we're going to be bringing to you this year is Chart House. And Chart House is a stunning visual. If you take a look at this, there is an incredible amount of variation in this product. It's really time-weathered wood. One of the neat things about this is a 6 by 36 inch plank, but the design team, Joe and Terry, did a phenomenal job of putting the tiny elements and the range of visuals to give the variation that you need to make this type of look work. So this is multiple print films that get mixed in one carton, and so you can see on the floor that it gives an incredible pop and a great amount of character to any install that goes in. So to wrap up, this is ADURA Max Apex, again, the hottest product in the hottest category, and we can't wait to take it to the next level with ADURA Max Apex. Now I'm going to take you over to MK, who's going to be taking you through our sheet vinyl collection.
Hi, I'm Mary Catherine Disco-Riglin, and I am the product manager for our residential sheet vinyl line. I'm going to take you through a tour of the 5 awesome patterns that we're introducing to the line this year. I'm going to start with Tapestry, which is our bold, exciting introduction that we have along the lines of the filigree and deco best-selling patterns that we brought into the Revive collection in the last 2 years. We've decided to go with a little bit different take on the bold and encaustic tile look this year. So with Tapestry, we've got 4 amazing colors. We've worked a little bit more color into the patterns this year, especially in the tweed and the denim look. They're on-trend colors that are really going to go with anyone's decor. Between these 4 patterns, you're going to find something that'll match pretty much anyone's look. We've got all the great neutrals, the blues, the colors of the decade, and the nice tans and teals that are really coming into trend right now. One of the really cool things you'll see if you look at the entire installation of this is there's no grout lines in this pattern. So that's something really different that we've done this year. And really taking advantage of something that you can do with sheet vinyl with patterns like this that you can't do in some of the more traditional types of tiles like ceramic and porcelain and even LVT. So you get this great all-over look that's really trending also in carpet looks that you can put in a really large installation, and it looks amazing. It's awesome for cleaning. We've got our most easy to clean texture on this pattern and no grout lines. So you can imagine in a busy household of kids and pets, it's going to be super quick cleanup for any kind of spills and messes. We're really excited about this pattern. Everyone's raving about it here at the show, and we can't wait to see everyone installing it at their homes. So next up in the Revive collection, we're going to look over here at Versailles. We've got a great black and white. That's a classic, timeless look that everybody loves. A lot of the black and white patterns out in the world right now are very stark contrast, but we wanted to do something a little bit different, a little higher end look with this. We've done some great things in our styling department with some nice hand painted edges to all of the tiles. It really looks like a hand set tile, but again, we don't have those deep grout lines that you have to clean and maintain. Everything's going to look beautiful as it was the day it was installed, all through the life of this pattern. Beautiful take on vintage French limestone, a nice worn hand set appearance. We've got 2 great colors in this, the black and white and also the gray on gray. We've done something really cool showing it on a 45-degree angle here, but of course it does come off in the traditional straight edge off the roll. So you can install it any way you like to get the right look in your home. This would look gorgeous in a great entryway or a kitchen. It looks so beautiful there. as far as the Revive collection, we've got one last entry into that collection, and of course, you know, we've got to put in a mosaic. This year, we've got an interesting take on both the mosaic and the hexagon trend. So hexagons continue to be popular. Last year we did Hive, and the first year we had Penny Lane. So instead of just putting a different size hexagon in, we added something unique to mix it up and put this nice diamond shape in. So now we've got the diamonds and the hexagons all kind of interplaying with the Carrara marble that is so on trend right now. We've got the three great neutrals with the taupe, really the white and the dark gray. That's really going to look great in anyone's home. This is phenomenal for a bathroom or a kitchen. You can see in our scenes we've got some great bathroom looks. It really gives you that high-end design. And again, the styling department has outdone themselves with this pattern. It has so much movement and color play in it. You really will not believe that this is sheet vinyl when you take a look at it. So those are our three introductions into our Revive collection, but we did not forget about traditional sheet vinyl. So what we have on the floor here is a phenomenal wood pattern that we're introducing this year. And this is called Mill Creek. It's a stained oak pattern. And what we have here is the multi-grain. The multi-colored wood is very popular now, and we've got 4 amazing colors in this. We've got a lot of different tones of the wood, and depending on the pattern, it gets a little bit more color play. We start with the very light woods, which is continuing to be very trendy. We have a nice dark gray with the axle, and then we move to the more traditional woods with the multi-grain, which is going to be our most colorful of them, and then the most traditional, which is beryl, which is a nice brown on brown tones. There's so much tones in here and so much color play. Again, you really are not going to believe that this is sheet vinyl when you put it down. The detailing around all of the end joints and everything, it really looks like these are individual planks of wood. Our styling team is just amazing. Now last but not least, we've got our LVS exclusive pattern. This pattern is going to only be available in the upgrades in the LVS collection, and this is patina. We've got 12 by 24 offset tiles in a great concrete look. Again, you can see the trendy neutrals. We've got a nice white, gray, and this rust color that is really gaining popularity. You can see the artistry and the hand stain type looks that we have here, a little bit worn, a nice urban type of look for a different kind of setting than some of the other looks that we have. So here in our Revive and LVS collection, you can find a variety of different looks that we're introducing in the line. We're here to tell you that sheet vinyl is here to stay, here to be trendy, and keep your home really exciting.